The recent premature decision by the Election Commission of Pakistan is just another method for this unmandated government to try to eliminate Imran Khan from the political landscape of Pakistan. We must remember that Imran Khan was, is, and always will remain the chairman of Pakistan Tehreek-e-Insaf, the largest national level party in the country. Imran Khan's case against him from a session court we're very confident will be reversed in the High Court, if not in the Supreme Court. Imran Khan has never had a single case against him his entire career, and now all of a sudden he has 200 cases, from terrorism all the way down to stealing a ballpoint pen. So we must remember that these cases are frivolous. These cases are purposely put on him, politically motivated, so that he can run from pillar to post, from court to jail, to getting bails, to back to jail, back to courts, and keep him busy for several months ahead